Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show my Nerf guns over there. And that's not all my Nerf guns, but I have more. But today I'm going to be showing off my Rapid Strike and my Nerf Strife to you guys. So here they are. So, this is my Nerf Strife. My Nerf Strife, guys. So, I have this is the extended, this is Arctic Freeze spray painted. It's a barrel attachment that is Arctic Freeze spray painted. And I really love it. So, this is a barrel attachment. It used to be colored like a modulus barrel attachment, which it was a modulus barrel attachment. But I decided to spray paint it Arctic Freeze to match. Long shot barrel. This is what my friend gave me this. It came from the long shot that he had. He doesn't have it anymore. Yeah, that's a long shot. A long shot scope. Very nice. Next up, I have a 10 dart clip. This 10 dart clip came from my friend's demolisher. He had a demolisher. We did a trade. I gave him like 3 6 clips with fully loaded darts. Well, 2 6 clips with fully loaded darts, because that was 12 darts. So he gave me 12 darts, and I gave him 12 darts. I gave him 2 clips, and he gave me this. So probably I might be getting a Nerf gun today, a new one. I'll make a video on that unboxing. So yeah, this is a 10 clip that I might put in my modulus that I get soon. This is a handle. I put this on my Strife so I can go like this and hold on to it. This is the handle, and I really love it. It's awesome. Nerf logo right there. It's awesome. I love my handle. Next up, I have this. This was on a recon that I have. I'm going to go grab my recon right now. Here is my Nerf and Strike Elite Recon. And as you can see, this is the Recon. And this is the stock that comes on the Recon. So you can go. Yeah, that's the Nerf Elite and Strike Recon. This is the stock. It has a fully 6 loaded see-through clip in there. There we go. That's the stock. And the final weapon is my Nerf Elite Strife. This is my Nerf Elite Strife. I spray painted it just like this barrel because when I put this spray painted barrel on, it looks like this. And it looks sweet. So, one thing I can tell you is that the gun is spray painted Arctic Freeze just like this. I have camo tape here because I modified the gun. And the rev switch, normally the rev switch is what you push right here. You push it down. But instead, when you put the clip in, see that little black thing right there? See that little black thing right there? You push that up just like that. Push that up and it turns on. So I will show you what the Strife looks like fully with all the attachments. This is what my Strife looks like with all attachments on, and then it sounds like this. That's jammed, but who cares? That was my Elite and Strife. That was the Strife. Now for my Rapid Strike. It's in a backpack, sorry. Yeah, so these, I have two of these in here. These are backup clips for the Rapid Strike. Backup clips for the Rapid Strike. Backup clips. So those are those. I have an Elite and Strike modulus scope. That's it. There you go. I have an 18 dart clip here, spray painted black. It's got some white on it. It's got 18 darts in it. 18 darts in there. I have the modulus barrel extension. The modulus barrel extension here. I love it so much. It's the best. I love it. My friend gave it to me. And actually, that Strife barrel extension that I had, I can actually also put on here, and it makes this extension. So there's that. Now for the actual this is my N-Strike Elite Rapid Strike. Fully functional, built-in stock. Right there. Fully functional. This is it, right here. Right here's a flip-up sight. Flip that up, and then you can see through right there. And then when you look through, right there. It looks better when this is extended out. I would rather have this spray painted black so it would match. There is a lot of white on this side. I'm not sure why, but this thing takes 4 C batteries. And I put all the attachments on. Especially the clip. Looks just like that. That looks awesome. This is what it sounds like. That's what my N-Strike Rapid Strike Elite Rapid Strike sounds like and looks like. And what it had to put on it. One more gun. This is my Mega Magnus. Nothing really to show on it. Mega Magnus. Mega. Seems like this. Oh, I don't really want to. I'll just shoot it over there. It's pretty good. It works. Chamber the bullet right here. Go grab the bullet. There's the bullet. And right here, it says you can put 3 darts in there. You can put 3 darts because look, my hand can go all the way down there. And then if you look through the barrel, you can see my hand, because in there, see in there, the thing pushes down. So when you chamber a bullet, you pull this back, and you squeeze the dirt like that, slide it right in, just like that, and then you go, and then it's loaded. Like the Elite and Mega Series Magnus. And there's a couple things in my backpack. I have extra back guns, but 30 fruit snacks and 6. So that's 9 fruit snacks in my backpack. Get hungry here no more. You always get hungry during the war, so you gotta have something to eat. So, huh? No one. Huh? No one.
Are you talking to somebody?
No. I'm making a video. I'm gonna put it on. Yeah, I am. So that was my Nerf kit for my Nerf Wars. Thank you for watching. Bye.